Good morning, guys. It is Sunday and my hair looks a little crazy. Starting off this vlog, I'm so tired, but guess what? We're gonna get up and we're gonna go out, right? Promised my best friend we were gonna go out today, even though I went to the Lost in Time concert last night, which you guys would have seen this past Sunday. I was actually preparing to edit the vlog, but to be honest, the footage isn't offloading and I'm not gonna make it like delay me from going out. So I don't know what I'm wearing yet. I think I'm gonna bring a second outfit because I think we're gonna go to like Japan Day, which is happening at AC Hotel by the Embassy of Japan, and then we're gonna go to Tap Bar after in the evening. So I think I'm gonna walk with an extra outfit, and then that way we can also get content like outfit pictures for Instagram. I'm currently watching Jolie's vlog. I love his vlogs. But yeah, I'm gonna get ready now because I'm already late. I got up late. You guys can see the eyeliner still on my eyes from last night, but and these spots that I'm trying to clear up. But girl, let's go get ready for the day. Happy Sunday. Hi y'all, so this is my outfit. I can't really show it. Hold on. I wish my front camera had like a 0.5 thing so I could show you my outfit. I'm basically wearing this top that I thrifted in Toronto. Love it. Vanessa actually found this top for me. Love it. Love the orange. And then I'm wearing these shorts. You guys have seen these shorts before. Listen, if I take a picture I'll insert it. And this is my makeup. I hardly been wearing lashes these days, to be honest. I kind of just do a lot of blush these days. My wing liner, very dramatic wing liner and mascara. I really be doing lashes, and then the natural hair is out. People actually think this is braids, which is crazy to me. I'm like, y'all think my hair are braids. Y'all don't realize how long my hair has gotten, right? And it's kind of crazy because this is what it looks like stretched, right? But people on Instagram are seeing it like right here. You know what I mean? Anyways, I'm not sure if I'm gonna change outfit, seeing that I'm just leaving home. It's like already 2:30. I'm gonna put this perfume on today. This is the Kim K perfume with her mom, Kris Jenner collab. I really like it. It smells very like grown. I like it a lot. And it's very strong. But yeah, that's the outfit. Of course, I'm bringing this bag, I think. Yeah, I think I'm gonna bring this bag. Yeah, I'm gonna bring this bag. Simple, can't bother, figure it out. As I said, I don't know if I'm gonna wear a second outfit today. So this is probably what I'm gonna wear to Tap Bar. It's very simple, super chill. It's a Sunday, you know. I was actually thinking if I should switch to pants, but I think I'm gonna stick to shorts. You know, it's cute. Let me show you in the mirror. Yeah, this is it. Shorts. So I think I'm gonna do shorts. Keep it cute, keep it simple. You know, yeah.
The concert, but I ended up going to the wrong place. I went to AC Hotel before I came here. We're at Pegasus, guys, so it's happening at Pegasus. In there it's very packed, so I'll show you guys in there in a second. So the turnout is amazing. Yeah, it's really good. Far enough, right? Australian accent.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
We need to go to the brewery in Constant Spring and do one of those floats one day. The brewery in Constant Spring? Yeah, and like do the float, the beer float. So we sample like the different beer. We should do that one time. I want to do
Saturday.
that. Okay. Oh, by the way.
We're still on the first drink. Cheers, by the way, again. And we got calamari. We finished our tacos. So now, I don't know if we're gonna get to drink number 2. We'll see. We'll see. Yeah.
Very light.
old bathroom, girl.
Yeah, it's very old. Like they could make about
We're still at Top Bar. What time is it?
it is 9:30.
9:30. I've been here since. What time have I been here? Like, I think
4
to 5.
Yeah.
Like 4:30, and I'm still here. I need to go home. But we're gonna go to Devon House. Get ice cream. Devon House close that 10.
Yeah.
Ooh. It looks cool. Let me put a pass. But this is Devon House.
Yeah, but it's not the same vibe.
It's the same Devon House, like it's an outlet.
I know. I'm gonna get for that vibe.
I am. You just wanted to chill. Oh, you mean like out there and eat
Yeah,
it?
but I get a corner.
Oh, gotcha. Yeah, we're getting ice cream. We're at Devon House getting ice cream. We went to the Mega Mart location because the one at Devon House was packed.